Hello students, how are you all? I hope all are fine and in good spirit. In the earlier sessions, we have discussed about sentences, parts of sentence and phrases. And today we are going to learn about types of sentences, which is part of lesson 1 sentences. So are you all ready with your sheets so that you can pen down notes and write few examples as you learn? Let's get started. You all know what are sentences. A sentence is a group of words that are put together to mean something. A sentence is a basic unit of language which expresses a complete thought. Let us see one example. John is going for fishing. It is a sentence as it is arranged in proper sequence. Starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark, in this case a full stop, and convey a proper meaning. Now let us see the types of sentences. There are primarily 4 types of sentences. Let's see one by one what are these sentences. The 4 types of sentences are assertive or declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Now let us see about the first type of sentence. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentences are the statement that give information about something or some action. They are positive as well as negative. Now let us see what a positive and negative sentences are. A positive sentence is also known as affirmative sentence. A positive sentence tells you that something is so. It represents an affirmation. It affirms something. A negative sentence contains words like not, never, no, none, and auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs like cannot, shall not. Now let us see examples. Jane is a trained dancer. It is a positive sentence. Jane is not a trained dancer. It is a negative sentence. You can pen down few examples of positive and negative sentences. Now let us see what are interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence is one that asks a direct question and always ends with a question mark. The term interrogative means another question. Now let us see examples. What's the capital of Australia? Children, can you give me the answer for this question statement? So, what's the capital of Australia? Think. If you know the answer, write it down. Yes, it is Canberra. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Now see the next example. Has anyone seen my wallet? Now let us see let us see what are imperative sentences. An imperative sentence is a type of a sentence that gives instructions, suggestion, request, or a command. It ends with a full stop. Let's see examples. Keep quiet is a command. Here you are giving order to someone to be quiet. Hence, it is a command. Remember, a command or order statement always begins with a verb. Here, keep is a verb. Please bolt the door. It's a request. As you are requesting someone to bolt the door. A request sentence will have words like please or kindly. Let's go for dinner tonight is a suggestion. As someone is suggesting that it would be nice or great if we go for dinner. It is not a command or order. Now let us see what are exclamatory sentences. These sentences express strong feelings and emotions of joy, sorrow, fear, and worry. Exclamatory sentences always end with exclamation mark. Here you can see the sign or the mark of exclamation. Let us see examples. Hurrah! Our school won the trophy. What a lovely day. When you say words like hurrah, hooray, or wow, we have to exaggerate it as we say it, as it expresses joy and excitement. Like, wow, the performance was enchanting. Here you have to keep a check that after an exclamation sign or mark, the next letter always begins with a capital letter. We can say that after an exclamation mark, we use a capital letter, same as we do after full stop. Now pen down few examples of exclamatory sentences to express your happiness. As you express your happiness, now quickly let's recapitulate what we have learned. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark, like a full stop, an exclamatory mark, or a question mark. There are primarily four types of sentences: assertive, which is also known as declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Dear students, I have uploaded ERP assignment sheets and notes along with the PDF of Lesson 1 sentences. I would like all my students to watch the video and refer notes while doing the ERP sheets. Thank you. Have a nice day and happy learning.